Do my
everyone,
girl accent.
we're going coning! Say hello to the crew.
Hello. Which accent should I do, Emma?
Say hi.
Which accent
You
should
should
I do?
do the spaghetti and meatballs
The
one.
spaghetti and meatball.
Okay, here we go.
Thank you for stopping at McDonald's.
You are
We have
welcome.
our new mango pineapple
I
smoothie.
think this is recording.
How may I help you?
Was that recording or was that real?
Just order.
Hello?
I'm sorry?
I will have one cone, please.
Had it?
Yeah.
53 cents.
That is not a 49-cent cone. That is a 53-cent cone. Is this what I'm using?
Yes, you are.
Do they make you sign it?
I don't think so,
Like
because
through
it's
the window?
53 cents.
You must authorize that you are.
Okay, I'm gonna hide now. Okay, bye.
You do not like it. Thank you. You
It's
have
okay to smile.
Thank you.
Oh, she's not
Okay,
that smiley
here we
kind.
go. We're getting our cone. I'm giving you a cone.
Okay, stay face.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if I can.
I have a camcorder in my hand.
Just shove it in your face.
Here we are.
Make it right in your
We are
Like
coning.
onto
On my
your
glass.
We are coning right meow. Right meow. So here we go.
Hi.
You actually suck at coning.
Okay,
What are
can
you
we go
supposed
back
to do?
to... Hold,
What are you supposed to do?
You have it on your glasses.
What are you supposed to do instead?
You're supposed to like squish it all the way and then let the cone drop.
Emma, can we go get another cone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, coning.
No, it's in
Round 2. To be continued.